How's it going, you guys? Ken again with another part of the New York Comic Con Pop series. Here I've got the official sticker Venomized Magneto. So dope. I'm actually gonna be unboxing this in a little bit, so you guys will have to bear with me for a second. Yes, it's so cool. It's probably one of my favorites out of New York Comic Con, actually. All right, give me a second here. Might be a little bit tricky, so we'll put this down for a sec. All right, there he is. Man, look at the detail on that. Symbiote, his energy, just kind of coming together. So cool. I was kind of hoping this would be a glow in the dark, but nope, this is still fine. This is still fine. Very, very nice. Anyway, that is it from me. See you guys in the next one.